Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 and I'm going to show you how can you easily link these headphones with your Skull IQ app on your Android phone. Let's get started. First we have to open our app and then click continue. Now we have to slide for agree. This is agreement to terms and conditions. Now we have to permit our app to find Bluetooth devices. We have to click allow. Now we have to click continue. And we don't have to allow, but if we want notifications we can allow. Now we have to allow for location permissions. We can allow only this time or while using the app. It is important to use precise location. Now, as you can see, if we are connected to our headphones, they're automatically there. We have to click connect and wait a moment. As you can see, new firmware is available now. We can click continue and we can start. Now we can wait a moment until our update is installed. It's important to keep our headphones in range and powered on. Now our headphones are rebooting. And as you can see, our firmware update it's completed successfully. Now we have our headphones linked with our phone. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.